Let's draw a cute drawing together. Watch till the end for a special reward. You're doing great! Keep drawing with me.
Sing, little bird, sing soft and low. Through the storm and the wind, let your sorrow show. Clap your tiny hands, tap your little feet. Dance to the song, though the world's not sweet. Twirl in the sunlight that hides behind gray. Hum the tune the grown-ups say. Close your eyes, breathe the night. Smile, little birds, everything's alright. Sing, little birds, your song is so fine. It warms the hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
Almost done! Don't miss the final look. Subscribe for more cute drawings. You are a super artist!